another great opportunity from Kufuor Scholars Program. So today might be your first time hearing this Kufuor program. This might be the greatest among all because this program is going to give you a full accessibility to great men. So as the name suggests, it is a scholarship which is being organized by the President of the Republic of Ghana. That is the former President of the Republic of Ghana, Honorable John Kufuor. So before we talk about how to start the application and the eligibility criteria, let's talk about the key aspects of this program and something brief about the Kufuor Scholars Program. Now, when you visit their website, you could see something brief or something small about them. So the Kufuor Scholars Program has the overarching objective of mentoring a critical mass of future change agents. So leaders imbued with a strong sense of patriotism, leaders who are motivative, problem solvers, creative thinkers, and knowledgeable professionals in their respective fields of endeavor. So this KSP builds leaders. Yes, it's able to impact on anyone who is actually part of this program. Now, leaders will be trailblazers whose hallmark will be both success and excellence in national development. Specifically, the program seeks to cultivate the next crop of transformational leaders who are patriotic, selfless, and community-oriented. It is also going to empower youth or young scholars with ethical problem-solving skills and creative thinking skills towards success in their respective careers, and also leadership roles for national development. Then again, it will guide young scholars to become agents of social change for political tolerance, ethnic and religious coexistence, and national orientation for sustainable development. So this is an opportunity you can't afford to miss. So if you miss this, you miss a training that will help you to become the best version of yourself. Now this Kufuor program has been designed to achieve long-term goals of the John Kufuor Foundation. Now you might want to know the specific goals of the Kufuor Foundation. Now the specific goals of this Kufuor Foundation programs are: 1. Effective leadership, good governance, and socio-economic development. So the activities of the program include leadership camps, international leadership events, personal projects, mentoring, coaching, and internships. So this scholars program is actually packed, so you cannot afford to miss this one too. Now the program is guided by the core values of transparency, accountability, equity, inclusion, fairness, and commitment to excellence. Now, the Kufuor Scholar Program is therefore expected to place high premium, which includes integrity, honesty, patriotism, nationalism, and commitment to ethical behavior at all times. So you could read more about the Kufuor Scholars Program. Now, who is eligible for this program and how do eligible people apply? So without talking much, an applicant must be an African nationality. Then the applicant might have completed level 100 and currently moving to 200 at a Ghanaian university in any academic discipline. Applicants must have demonstrated leadership interest and experience in school, community, or at national level. You must have focus on availability to learn and commitment to service with integrity. The applicant must demonstrate a non-toxic, nationalistic orientation and the capacity to promote political and religious tolerance, human rights, and ethnic coexistence for national development. And also, the applicant must not be more than 23 years of age at the time of application. So this is all or this is what will make anyone eligible for this Kufuor Scholars Program. So this is the nature of their award. So over a 3-year period, the scholar would benefit from leadership mentoring camps, excursions and visits, seminars, webinars, practical leadership internships, online courses and execution of personal projects to enhance personal skills. Now included in the package are branded paraphernalia and stipends of 500 cedis per semester. Now the scholar may also have the opportunity in participating in international exchange programs and conferences. The value and the impact on the scholar is priceless. Now this is how to apply for this scholarship program. Now interested students should visit their LinkedIn platform of the Kufuor Scholars Program for further information. So the instructions include you liking the post, taking screenshots and sending it to their email for verification. After that, they will give you the link to the application for further instructions. So applicants must carefully complete registration and instructions by 13th October 2025. So that's the deadline. So 13th October 2025 is the deadline for this application. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for tuning in to the end of the video. I'm UNS Prince. See you in my next video.